Hello, hello. So today I'm going to be making a Tropicana soap. I do have my colorants here ready to go. The fragrance oil smells amazing. I have the yellow Vibrance Mica from Nurture Soap and then another Mica from a company in Europe. But of course, I will leave links for an alternative in your area. And then I have a little bit of titanium dioxide here mixed with warm water. This is the water-soluble titanium dioxide. And then I have some glitter for on top. The special thing about this soap here is that it contains coconut milk. So the way I like to go about when I have coconut milk is, I take away a portion of the liquid amount that I will replace with coconut milk later on when the soap is at trace. And I'm going to show you this in a moment. I did add this one to the fridge just to have it as cool as possible because this will absolutely accelerate. I have both oils and the lye water are very, very cool. I go as cool as I possibly can just to avoid the acceleration in it. But first comes first, I'm going to add the lye water to the oils and then I'm going to stick blend to emulsion. Okay, you see that's enough. I'm not going to go more than this just because I don't want it to, like I said, thicken up too much. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk coating. So far so good. Just gonna go ahead and try to move as quick as I can. I'm going to split off the batter in two different buckets for two different colors. I mean three with the majority here. Okay, let's move. I'm gonna add in the big bucket the lime green mica. And the smaller one, yellow vibrance. And then in here, the titanium dioxide. So let's mix this up, starting with the lightest color. I'm surprised that this soap behaves rather well, I have to say. So now let's see what happens if I add the fragrance oil. I'm going to add the majority in here and then just a little bit over here. I'm not going to fragrance the white portion at all. And I'm just, of course, giving it a quick mix with the spatula. And the last soap that I made with coconut milk was really a disaster. You can also find the video in here. This one is doing quite okay so far. I'm gonna go ahead now and pour the soap into the mold. So the green part first. It's behaving quite well so far. I also love the color scheme. Then I'm gonna add probably a little bit of the yellow. White. yellow again. Then I go in with the green, trying to penetrate the layers a little bit to change things up. Now I'm gonna go in a spoon and make a swirl. Not too much because I don't want the colors to mix up too much, if you know what I mean. Gonna add the rest of the green on top. And then the rest of the colors to decorate the top. I'm gonna let this set a little bit to have like a bit of a texture when I add the swirl here on top. A few moments later, so now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna attempt a little swirl on the top. And a little glitter, biodegradable glitter from Nurture Soap on top for a nice finish. I'll just give it a spritz with rubbing alcohol to prevent soda ash on top. It's the next day and I'm very curious to see whether or not this soap cracked on the inside due to the sugars, you know, the sugar inside the milk. We're going to find out. I love the color. I did not use any sodium lactate, but as you can see, the soap molds pretty easily and it's quite firm, so that's good. Absolutely love it. Let's go ahead and stamp these now. So here they are. They will now cure for 4 to 6 weeks. If you are interested in other soap making related videos, please check out the playlist here on the screen where you will find many more. I hope to see you in the next video, and in the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye!